How to check junk folder on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Mail application on your phone. The Mail app is a pre-installed application that allows users to manage emails from various accounts in one place. Once you're here, go to the top left corner and go to Mailboxes. Then, go to the iCloud section and tap on Junk. You can view all your junk mails over here. Go to the bottom left corner and tap on the filter icon. You can view all your unread emails over here. Then, go to the bottom and tap on Unread in the middle. If you want to include more filters, then select Flagged as well. After that, tap on Done at the top right corner. Following these steps, you can easily check junk folder on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.